If you don't want to dip right into this one, you can definitely pick a little bit of the smaller amount of the gel and place it on the palette so you can dip it back in. I'm saturate to my bristle number 4, the brush number 4. And kind of draw it the French look. Number 4 brush, and I definitely suggest. If you want to do like a French for the long nails, even the short nails, it's great for French look. So I'm always like start in the middle. Oh, is my hand it like sleep off? Okay. Just get an outline first, and then we can using number 10 brush and try to fill it in. Saturates my bristle. And my hand is move a lot. And I'm gonna do it like a first coat. All right. Really gentle. I'm doing it thin. And then I'm gonna go ahead and flash here for 32 seconds first, and I'm gonna go back in a second coat. Okay. Yeah, this number 4 brush, or if you have number 3 brush is good too. I like number 3 too. It's like a little bit shorter. You can either way using it with number 3 or number 4. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the second layer. And it's so cool though. It's so the consistency is beautiful and it's not runny. The gel is so easy to polish. Somehow it's some fur or something in there. So it's cool that it had 3 colors. And then you can do even like a 3rd coat if you want to. But I think 2, because I think this one looks good, but I want to get this one on the top of it. So I'm gonna do this coat is really thin. Really thin. I keep my bristle like nice and parallel, like a flat on the nails. All right, here for 30 seconds. And make sure that clean my bristle off. And then I want, so if you don't want anything else, you can definitely do some designs on or just top coat. You know, you're good to go. But I want to do this one and see what it's gonna look like on the top of it, because I'm so fascinating with this palettes that I want to see what else we can create with. All right, let's pick up this kind of a nice glitter. It's really cool though. Gotta see in person. It's really cool. So I'm go ahead and pick up the smaller portion of it. It feel like you are how do I explain it? It feel like you are playing with the lipstick, but it's not lipstick, so do not try it on the lips, okay? It just really cool. All right, so I'm go ahead and using the brush number 4. Keep it flat when you are getting it in the nails, and keep it flat. Don't try to use just a tip on it, using whole entire the brush. I mean the bristle. You see that I keep it flat, so then that way when you draw the lines, it doesn't look like it's like, doesn't look like it's zigzag, it just looks more precise. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and here. So now if you want any designs on it, we can add some crystal on. What crystal should we do? Should we do this one? I got it from my mix bag on the sub box, or we can do this flowers.
You do a bit of both.
Little both. Okay, I can get both of this. I can see what else I have it in here. I can use those. Let's see. I usually do use 2 trays, so 1 tray to get me sort out a bigger crystal and bigger element, and then the other tray to catch the little elements in there. So now, if you're happy with this, we always go ahead and using the condensed glue gel. My condensed glue gel is almost like gone. So let me wipe off my brush first, so then clean it first, so then it won't get destroyed. Cap on. Each of the brush is really nice. I like it so much because it was like having a cap when you clean it so well. Put the cap on so it's prevent from getting like dust or collecting is all like unnecessary thing. So go back into the twin tip brush. I'm gonna pick up some condensed glue gels. My condensed glue gels is almost gone, like not much left. I'm using this and applies and tie the nails. So now if you know exactly what you are going to do, absolutely can add it on, but I'm gonna apply this really good coat layer on all and tie the nails. And then, so should we do the matte looks for this nails or shiny?
We do half. Actually, do shiny.
Shiny?
Mm-hmm.
You always like shiny. Why?
Because you're gonna have a lot of really
These condensed glue gels and the web top coat. This is the perfect is crystal trifecta if you're having any troubleshootings or with the crystal designs, crystal placement. The crystal trifecta, it definitely is, I would highly recommend, because that will back you up every single times. So let's see. I'm gonna do this one, these two first. And it's cool, it's kind of matching with the nails that I'm doing. And then here I got, I'm not sure if I want a neon on it. Let's see what I got in here. I found some couple leaves and feathers. So I'm gonna put in here. Maybe yellow. It's like what it's. Looks so cool.
I love it. So yes, we always do the condensed glue gel, the top coat together. That way you don't have to fumbling around and try to not getting the top coat on your crystal and everything else after the design is done. And it also keep everything stay together a lot better.
And between the condensed glue gel and the wet top coat are gonna grab the base of your crystals. And it's give it like a double secure for the designs. It's kind of cool though. Like a neon vibes, and I'm looking for some cute pink. Then when you finish with the condensed glue gels and no wet top coats, there's no tacky layer left at all for you. So when you are finished, you can just need to do a pre-seasoned glue gel and no need to go back with the top coat and try to get the top coat right on the top. So you're feeling your crystal is coming off, or is hard that you have to cover your crystal because you're afraid of crystal to falling. Do yourself a favors. Try the crystal trifecta. You will never go wrong with this, and it will back you up every single time, and your crystal will look shinier, and you don't need any coating anything on the top because condensed glue gels, no wet top coat, and pre-seasoned glue gel do all the work for you. So your clients or yourself, if you're doing it for yourself, you'll never have to worry about your crystals coming off or catching on your hair or your clothes. Oh, I'm having fun with this. You can add any colors of a crystal, okay? I just happen that I have my sub box with me, so I just keep having fun with it. Like if you are good, we're gonna give you like quick cure first. Flash cure for a second, but you know what? Let me, because we're having a smaller beads, I'm gonna go ahead and using my pre-seasoned glue gel. Take the cap off, the red cap, but don't do it away because this bestie will protect your pre-seasoned glue gel. So I'm go ahead and squeeze just a little bit of pre-seasoned glue gel. You can see it's right here, just a little bit. When I squeeze it out, it's because it's small enough that I can't squeeze it into holding the little beads from this cutie flowers. That's it. And I am go ahead and adjusting it really quick. And cure for 60 seconds. Oh, it's really cool though.